At Uptown Drapes, our goal is to be able to provide beautiful custom window treatments for whoever wants it in their home. Our website is a great place for someone like me who I just want to be creative and see what's out there and just potentially build my own draperies, my own Roman shades. This is just a fun way to kind of take control and be creative, be your own designer in your own home and get something that is amazing and just will be so beautiful in your home. It's a wonderful way to even showcase your window and your view, because if you have these beautiful draperies or a beautiful Roman, it draws your eye to your window, it softens everything, it will make your outdoors look even better than it does, and it just adds that extra detail and makes such a huge difference. For our everyday client, sometimes you don't even know why it is that our drapes look so good, and that's okay. On our website, we have so many things really easy to understand. We have how-to videos, how to measure, how to install, what type of a treatment should you be ordering? Should you be doing an outside mount versus an inside mount? How to tweak your drapes and your Romans when they arrive. We also have virtual appointments you can sign up for, and we have great customer service behind the scenes. You can send in email questions, pictures. So we've really tried to film a lot of that and have it easy for you to get on and see, so that if you've got questions, we've got the answers. I'm always recommending to a client to go ahead, spend the money, spend the time, create these custom window treatments that you know you're gonna love. You're gonna enjoy them for years and years to come. So make it your own, make it custom, and make it Uptown Drapes.